Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss the elimination method. So elimination method is also an algebraic method. This method is used to solve the linear equation. So in algebraic method there are three types of method. One is the substitution method, second one is elimination method, and third one is the cross multiplication method. So all these three methods is used to solve the linear equations. So I have already discussed about the substitution method. So if you want to see this video, please you go to my YouTube channel and see this video. So now let's start. Today I'll discuss the elimination methods. So now in elimination method, the following three steps involved in this method to solve the two variable linear equations. So now let's start here. First step will be here. What is the elimination method? Elimination means you have to eliminate one variable from given equation. So now how to eliminate this one variable from both the given equations? So you have to multiply both the equation with suitable number so that the coefficient of one variable would be the same. First you have to eliminate one variable from both the given equations. So how to do this? You have to multiply both the equation with a suitable number so that the coefficient of one variable would be the same. So after that you apply step 2. Now subtraction one equation from the other to eliminate one variable either x or y. And now after that you apply step 3. Substitute the value of one variable, so which you calculate after subtraction of the given equations. So now and then this variable value substitute any one of the given equation and then you calculate the other variable value. So now first you apply step 1, then step 2, then step 3. So now that's clear. Now I am showing you here example 1. I will take two linear equation here. Now equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equals to 5 and second one is x plus 4y equals to 6. So now you see that the equation 1 is the coefficient of x is 2 and y 3 and the constant part is 5. And now equation 2, the coefficient of x is 1 and y 4 and the constant part 6. So in our elimination method, the step 1 will be involved when you solve these two linear equations. So now step 1 apply. Now first step will be here, the eliminate one variable from both the equations. So how to eliminate one variable both the equation? So now you have to multiply both the equation with a suitable number. Now let's start. Apply step 1. So now in equation 1 I have multiplied both the equation with 1 with both side of equation 1. So now 1 multiplied with both side of equation 1, and in equation 2 I will multiply with both side 2. So now after that I will get, now in equation 1 multiplied both side of the equation 1 is 1. Now 1 into 2 into x plus 1 into 3 into y equals to 1 into 5. So now this expression simplify here, 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Now this equation name is equation 3. Now after that equation 2 you multiply both side of the equation with 2. So now 2 into x plus here 2 into 4 into y equals to 2 into 6. So now similarly simplify the expression, 2x plus 2 into 4, 8, y equals to 2 into 6 which is 12. So now this equation name is equation 4. So now after that you apply step 2. Step 2 is you apply the subtraction method of both the equation. So I will subtract from equation 3 from equation 4. Now subtract equation 3 from equation 4. So now let's start here. Two equation write down here. 2x plus 3y equals to 5, and second one is 2x plus 8y equals to 12. Now subtract both the equation. Here plus 2x minus 2x cancel. Here plus 3y minus 8y, which is minus 5y, equals to plus 5 minus 12, which is minus 7. So now both sides minus is cancelled. So therefore the value of one variable value, which is y, is 7/5. We get one variable value y equals to 7/5. Now in step 2 we calculate the another variable value. Now we calculate another variable value. So we substitute the value of y any one of the given equation. So I will substitute the value of y in equation 1. So now substitute the value of y, which is 7/5, in equation 1. So now our equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equals to 5. So now substitute the value of y here, or 2x plus 3 into y, which is 7/5 equals to 5, or 2 into 5, which is 10x, plus 3 into 7, which is 21, is equals to 5 into 5, which is 25, or 10x is equals to 25 minus 21, which is 4, or x equals to 4/10, therefore 2, 5. Now therefore x equals to 2/5. So we get two variable value. One is, so our final answer is, the solution of two given linear equation is x equals to 2/5 and y equals to 7/5. So now this is our final answer. So now if you want to justify your answer is correct or not, so you simply substitute these two variable value any one of the given equation. So now I am showing you here just your rough calculation for your answer is correct or not. Now let's start here. I will take the equation 1, which is 2x plus 3y equals to 5. So now the variable value is x equals to 2/5 and second variable is 7/5. So these two variable values substitute the LHS part. This is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. So LHS part of the equation, and then you will compare both the side LHS part and RHS part. So the LHS part, if the LHS part is equals to the RHS part, then your answer is correct. Now let's start here. So this is the LHS part, which is 2 into x plus 3 into y. So here substitute the value of x, 2 into x, which is 2/5, plus 3 into y, which is 7/5. Now here 1/5, first term is present 1/5 and second term also present 1/5. So I'll take 1/5 common from both the term, and 2 into 2, first term will be here 4 and second term is 21. So now here 21 plus 4, which is 25, divided by 5. So this is equals to 5. This is also equals to the RHS. So we see that here LHS part also equals to the RHS part. So our answer is correct. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So thank you. Bye bye.